Well, alright, we're gonna do some nice hill climbing right here. And this is my friend Tyler.
Hi.
And this is me. What's up? There's some hills right up yonder. You probably can't see them very good, oh well. But we have this nice truck, I guess. It's pretty fun. So, well, it's bumpy. Well, let's do it. Well, here's our first hill. Go! Come on! Yeah! Yeah! I'm just kidding. That's just for a goof. Now we'll get to the real hills. Here we go. It's filling out like a mother effer. Holy shit. You can do it. You can do it. F it. We're almost there. I love your truck. Yes, we all love it. No, don't die, don't die. I think you died. Oh, man. Dang it, so close. So effing close.
Okay, this is a hard part.
Oh man, it's like way too slippery.
I know, let's just spill now. Hear that?
Yeah, I heard it alright. One more attempt of the same hill, but from a different view. Come on, you can make it, you can make it. Gosh. It's like so slippery, it's crazy. Ah, dang, so close. Here's a different hill. Looks fun. Nope, just pulls out. God dang it, it's too slippery. Now if it was like more rocky and not so slippery freaking dirt, we could probably easily make it, but it's pretty good for a two-wheel drive.
Let's get more speed. Or
Okay, I'll get out.
Yeah.
So you can see it in a different view. I got like almost halfway. Oh well, that's fun. I guess a rerun. Try a different hill. This one looks more fun and steep. No, you're fine. we had